welcome back to my channel. This is Baby Mirror Hair. Today I'm going to be doing the Faux Locs style using the Brazilian wool. So this is what this wool looks like. This is apparently what it looks like. So let's get into the video now. The first thing you have to do is to cut the wool, the Brazilian wool, according to the length which is suitable for you, and then braid the hair, but this is going to be like pick and drop. You're not going to braid it to the end, so just as it is in the video, you just pick and drop. Yeah. After picking and dropping, then you start tying it this way. Oh my god, I wouldn't lie, but this is painful. I really wanted to make a protective hairstyle, but man, the pains that come with this, I don't know, but this hair lasts long. Like, you can wear this hair for up to 3 months, I guess, because it requires a lot of hard work, patience, sitting down, time, and a whole lot. So yeah. You get to tie this patiently until you get to the end, and then you seal the mouth by double tying it, just the way you're seeing in the video, and that's it. And then you continue making others until you get to the very end. Man, that's a whole lot of time. Yeah. Oh my god, at this point I felt like fainting. Like, this is literally painful. I'm not trying to exaggerate. If you're gonna make this hair, you should summon some courage and strength, really. Yeah. So to ease the pain, we had to like press it a little bit with hot water and then using a towel so that the pain will, I'll be relieved of the pain. This really helped anyway. So if you want to make this hair, I think you should also do this just to relieve you of the pain. So the next thing was trying to curl the tips, and I used this ruler that has a clip. So it just basically rolling the tips around this stuff and then clipping it. And afterwards, we dipped it in a very hot water just to retain the curls. Just the way it's shown on this video, it is simple and fine, and a bit faster though. So I don't know how other people make their own coils or something, but this was just the way we achieved ours. So after dipping it in water, we allowed it to get dry a little bit, and then we removed it from the roller, and then we achieved the curl. It was not really that defined, but it was okay. Man, this is really time taking, and then anyway, it was worth it. So guys, this is the final output, and this is what the curls looks like. It's still a bit painful, so I can't really style it now. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.